Alright traders, I'm gonna show how to generate trades and track your performance using the simplest ever tool I've ever seen. Trader always love. And so with all that being said, let's dive deep into it. So I'm gonna start with showing you exactly how to add accounts to this channel. Well, you can use this section here, or you can simply tap this icon here, and tapping it shall bring this kind of menu. So this is where you see your accounts from, and pressing this button is how you'll be able to create your account. So you select PogFarm. So with that said, we've just created this portfolio here, and so you can set it to be active, such that it's the one we're gonna be making changes from. So when you get back to the journal, you'll find this kind of screen as we saw it earlier. There are various methods you can use to add your trades: manual entry, approach CSV, broker sync. So the second one is my favorite, and pressing it will bring something like this. So that said, I'm gonna first upload my CSV from my broker here, which is funded next PogFarm. Getting into the funded next PogFarm, I'll download CSV. After downloading CSV, then I'll get back to the tool. Trader always love the press upload CSV file. Then I'll get to the downloads, of course. Next is mapping. So after mapping, you have a preview like this. This is the preview of your trades, and actually you can apply a filter to the trades you want from and to. That way also preventing duplication of trades. So you have an interface like this. All trades are journaled. There are 5 as you see them. Without having the trades here, this is how you press it to see the information that you've journaled. You find the information about the trades in this section here. You can also ask for a trader coach review. At this point, you can add further details: the setup, the tags, the emotional states, the notes, the screenshots, and update entry, of course. You can also ask for a trader coach review by pressing this button right here. You get a very good review for your trades, and all that is free on this tool. I'm going to show you also the plan. This is where you plan your trades from. So you just create a new plan, then you fill in these sections. You actually get to analyze your plan with AI, calculate the trade score. All that is possible with this trading tool. So this is where you'll be able to see your P&L calendar of the trades that you added to your journal. As you saw the trades that I added to the journal. So this is the session lab here. It's how you're performing the different sessions, and it's auto-calculated the yearly performance. This is the yearly performance depending on the trades that you added. Now that takes me to the playbook. This is like your notebook. It's where you write all your rules. This is your diary where you write everything about your trading, and you can access everything that you write from the different devices that you have: mobile and desktop and tablet. This is where you add your rules from, categorize them into entries: management, psychology, exit, general, all things. And this is where you get to the portfolio to see more insights about what you just journaled. This is where you see the portfolio with the profit targets, every metric about that PogFarm challenge. You find it at this section right here. Now on the trader overview page, you see something like this. This is where you track everything about you as a trader. Everything about you, find it here. This is where you see your strategies. If you add a strategy, if you tag any strategy to a setup on your journal, all strategies will be appearing here, and you have to be able to use AI to analyze them and do strategy trading. The trader coach monthly summary will generate from here. This is what you use to generate your trader coach monthly summary. Most of the tools will be filled as you actually keep using the journal. When you tag a strategy on a trade in your journal, the strategies shall all be appearing at this point here. Now all the PogFarm challenges you passed, all the PogFarm challenges that you're currently trading, active and not, will be appearing at this point here. Here your performance of naive accounts, funded, evaluations like the one I've added, an evaluation, and the demos, everything you need to know about your trading is where you change to see metrics, last 3 months, last 6 months, all time, and more features. Of course, there is this Babiflab AI right here. This is like a chatbot, and it actually stores your past conversations. Of course, you find something like this. So this is the past conversation here. As you see, it's a past conversation. You can start new chat here. Like this is the AI that's ready to help you 24/7, to coach you, to help you analyze your strategy, because it knows everything about your trading. It has access to the journal, the trades that you place in the journal. It knows everything to trade you as a trader personal. It's like your personal AI coach. As you see, this is the calculator right here, and when you press it, you find this menu there. So this is where you can calculate just like that, you know your risk for placing any trade. Yeah, so you can access this anytime that you want to use it on TraderOS Lab. It's actually free. And with that being said, traders, I would like to advise you to always journal your trades and track your performance. And if you use TraderOS Lab, that's a 10 out of 10 with course, right at the top.